Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to shape pictures in Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Google Slides and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a new presentation. So you can either start a new presentation by clicking on this plus icon if you want to add a blank presentation. If you want to use the templates, as you can see guys, this list includes some templates that you can use for your presentation. Or if you want to expand the list, go ahead and click on templates gallery. And as you can see guys, now the list has been expanded. So for example, I'm gonna choose this template. And as you can see guys, now the template is loading. Once the template has finished loading, this is how it will look like. So basically guys, I'm gonna change the slide. For example, I'm gonna use this slide. So right now I'm gonna add an image by going to the top, click on insert, and then under it you're gonna find image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, and so on. So I'm gonna click on image, and then right here you can either upload it from computer, search the web, add it from Drive, from Photos, or by URL. So I'm gonna click upload from computer, and then you can choose any image that you want from your computer. For example, I'm gonna add this image, and as you can see guys, now it's added. So right now, in order to change or shape the image, as you can see guys, there is some dots right here in the corners of the image, and there is also some dots right here in the middle. So basically guys, if you use these dots in the corner, click on them, hold, and then drag your mouse to the left or to the right, you can make the image smaller or bigger. You can also stretch the image by dragging these dots in the middle like this. And you can change the position by just by holding the image and then dragging the mouse. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find the rotation option. Go ahead, click on it, hold it, and then drag it to the right or to the left, like this. And as you can see, guys, the image is rotated. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.